Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Binance account if you've forgotten your credentials during the login in process. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Binance application from the app drawer and the first interface of Binance will look like this. In order to log into your account, you'll need to tap on the sign up/login button in yellow at the very top of this page. You'll end up in the Binance account login page, which has two tabs available at the very top. You can either enter your email address followed by your password or your phone number followed by your password into the text box to log into your account. In case you've forgotten your password for your account and you'd like to recover your account right away, tap on Forgot Password link beneath the login button. It says that if you move forward and make this change of recovering your password, you won't be able to make any kind of transactions, withdrawals, P2P sellings for next 24 hours. Tap continue if you are ready to proceed further. Now, in order to reset your password, you'll need to type in either your email address that is associated with Binance or your phone number. Let me type in my email address. Once you type in the correct email address, tap the next button, complete the verification in the pop-up, and on the next page, you'll need to type in your phone verification code. Tap Get Code in order to verify yourself from the text box that appears at the very first, and wait for your phone verification code to arrive. Once you receive your code, type it into the text box. Once you verify that the account belongs to you, you'll get to reset your password on the next page. Type in the new password that you are trying to change to. While creating a password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long and it includes lowercase letters and uppercase letters on your password. Once you type in your new password, retype in your password in the next field where it says Confirm Password. Finally, tap the next button beneath and you have successfully reset your password to a new one. Tap the login button and while logging into your account next time, make sure to type in your email address followed by the new password that you just reset to. Finally, tap login, complete the verification puzzle, complete the security verification by tapping on Get Code, enter the code that you received, and you will be logged in to your Binance account with a new password. That is how you can easily recover your forgotten password for Binance account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.